number 1?
Oh, we did better. One. You can. Oh.
Oh no. What's step number 2?
Upside down.
Let's hang upside down. Oh. Oh no. What's step number 3?
Drink a glass of water.
Let's go drink a glass of water. I'll get one for you. This one will go up. Okay, drink it all at once. Drink it, 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 drink it. Let me see if you drink it. He drank all of it. Okay. Now, look at Mama. Look at Mama. What's the 4th one? What's the 4th one?
What's step 4?
Scares, Mommy.
Okay, look at Mama.
Ah!
Now let's hope that he doesn't ever have any hiccups.
Now what, Dylan? Now what? What do you say? Your hiccups are...
Gone.
That's right.